State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean D. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. So how it's going to work is I'm going to try to get you out in the order that you came in. I'm acknowledging you now by saying good morning, everyone. But if I don't acknowledge you individually, that means I have your information. Mr. Simon.
This shit's so irritating. Look at this shit.
Morning, Judge.
It's not even number 8. They're gonna put it up there. Y'all just adding shit. 1, 2, 2 of these niggas is number 8.
Officer Byrd.
I'm about to put you out, Officer Byrd.
Oh, sorry about that, sir.
Disrupt my courtroom one more time, coming in here with that expletive. I'm gonna put you out. I'm gonna hold you in contempt.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Simon, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. D'Angelo Owens. I don't know if he's checked in. I did have a text with him this morning, but there are a couple of unidentified participants.
No D'Angelo Owens here? All right, Mr. Vanderwerf, let's call your client's case.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Ben Vanderwerf. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Grozensky in case number V503-567-23OM.
Mr. Grozensky, good morning to you.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Raman Samuel, case number B503-567-23. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. Ben Vanderwerf on behalf of Mr. Grozensky.
Mr. Grozensky, state your name for the record, please.
I'm sorry.
State your name for the record, please.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, Roman Grozensky.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Understanding of the record that you have worked out the dismissal on your client's behalf.
That's correct, Your Honor. Since the ticket was issued, Mr. Grozensky has obtained his business license, and we've worked directly with the city attorney's office to work through that process and to explain the situation. And it's our understanding that the city attorney's office is willing to dismiss it without prejudice under the condition that Mr. Grozensky renew his business license by March 31st, 2024.
All right, since you're an officer of the court, did you put your key number on the record?
Yes, Your Honor, it's P84614.
I'm gonna grant a motion to dismiss. I'll provide valid documentation. Nothing further. You and your client have a very good day. Best of luck to you both.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So on the iPhone, you just connected to audio. I think it's a young lady. No, the gentleman up there in the black shirt. What's your name, sir?
James Green.
James Green. Is that with an S? I mean an E or just a?
Just the N. E.
Donna, would you like me to rename the device?
I got it now. Because there's another iPhone in the room. All right, let's go ahead with that iPhone is ready to speak as well. All right. On that iPhone that I just let in the room, what's your name, please?
D'Angelo Owens.
D'Angelo Owens. That's your client, right, Mr. Good morning, Mr. Owens.
Good
Yes,
morning.
Judge, yes, Your Honor.
What's gonna go on with Mr. Owens?
Your Honor, could we set the matters over for trial and formal hearing?
Yes. City of Detroit versus D'Angelo Montez Owens, case number SB 128-75251, SB 1501294, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing in record 3. Simon.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jonathan Simon, P35596 on behalf of Mr. Owens.
Mr. Owens, state your name for the record, please.
Mr. Owens, can you state your name?
D'Angelo Montez Owens.
All right, today is the date and time set for pre-trial, Mr. Owens. Mr. Simon, give your client a trial date of March.
Yes, Your Honor. If we could set the two misdemeanors over for trial and the civil infraction for a formal hearing.
I'm going to set trial and formal hearing March the 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right. There's nothing further. You hope have a very good day. Happy holiday season. Best of luck.
Thank you, Judge. The same to you and your family.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
All right, Mr. Owens, free to leave. Have a great day.
You as well.
James, Ms. Williams Law,
That trial date you said?
the 25th of March.
25th. Thank you.
City of Detroit versus James Otis Green Jr. Case numbers SP 1374670 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1374677 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 138664663. SP 1503740 counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Green.
James B. Otis Green Jr.
You just keep adding them up, don't you, Mr. Green? Keep racking them up. What are we going to do? It's the date, the time set for a pre-trial. What are we going to do with these cases, Mr. Green? You have an absolute right to a trial. I don't know if you took the better driver's course. I don't know what the status of your license is. What I'm going to let me look over.
I took the course.
Did you send it to me?
Yes.
When did you do that?
Friday. I sent it Friday.
What email address did you send it from?
It's sent from Michigan Works on they had a machine because my for some reason it didn't come in my phone, so I used their computer. So they had a fax machine, and then they emailed it from on what is that? Myers and Curtis, the what you call that place? Michigan Works or something like that. But they sent it. But I got a certificate right here too, if you could see it.
Hold it up, please. All right, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, I don't know what the offer's gonna be. Let's see if this one, they gave you anything, indication, no. So let me pass the matter, let me get you an offer, and then we'll go from there, all right? So sit tight, Mr. Green, please.
Okay. All right.
Michelle Lewis. Is that Michelle Monique Lewis?
Hello?
Where's Michelle Lewis? You have to unmute yourself now. City of Detroit versus Michelle Monique Lewis. Case number is SP 1501736, counts 1, 2, and 3. 217-37619, counts 1 and 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. Sheriff Harris, P72832 on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Lachelle Monique Lewis.
There's a date and time set for pre-trial on some of the matters. Show cause on other ones. Ms. Harris.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands muted.
You're not guilty, pleading your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Lewis, do you have any documentation for for this vehicle, registration or insurance?
Yes, I have. Yes, I'm getting there right now. Hold on one second, please.
Yeah.
Yes, I have it. My registration.
Registration, let's see what that is. 2024 Chevy. Move over to the right and move it up a little bit. Okay. So I'm satisfied with that. What about any insurance?
Yes, I had underwriters insurance.
Okay. What about this plate? Where's this plate?
It's on my vehicle. Do I need to go outside and take a picture?
No. What did I got? An improper display of plate. What was that all about?
I guess they have a cover on it that's tinted, and I guess they said they couldn't see it.
Yeah, you still have that cover on there?
No, sir. No, sir, I took it off.
Took it off, Ms. Lewis.
Pardon me?
You just said, I have a cover on there that's tinted. And you spoke
No,
in
I
the
said,
present. You spoke in
no,
the present.
I said I had a cover on there that was tinted. That's why they
Oh.
pulled me over. That's why they said they pulled me over.
You see how words matter? One little word.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. There's nothing further,
Thank you.
ma'am. Have a very good holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir.
Gibson, Ronald Gibson.
Hi, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Okay. Limley, I'm sorry, Whitney.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good leave, Ms. Lewis.
Okay. Good morning, Judge.
All right, I can't see you. What's your name, Counselor?
Good morning, Your Honor. Whitney Lemelin. I'm here for myself. My fire number is P58914.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ambrose, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ambrose.
Okay.
You're free to leave, Ms. Lewis.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. I'm trying to figure it out. Ooh.
Ronald Gibson.
Hi, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
I don't know.
I'll put you out, Miss. I'm gonna put you out, Miss Lewis.
Yeah. Please, I don't know how to get out of here. Thank you.
Trying to find Gibson. Let me get Gibson, please. City of Detroit versus Ronald Gibson Jr. Case number U66336-423. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
Hi, hi, yes, my name is Ronald Gibson Jr.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. Mr. Gibson, your office is going to be pleading to.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Could you please repeat that?
The officer is going to be pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct, $240 fine, misdemeanor morality class, HIV STD testing. The results will be private to you. I need this, please. Results will be private to you. You have an absolute right to a trial. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. That office will remain open. Join the breakout rooms, Mr. Berry, and see if he can advise you.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go to Sierra Gator. Where is Miss Gator? Miss Gator, are you here? She's not. All right, let's move on to Jamel Brown.
Hello.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
I don't see Graham on here.
Hey, I had a court date Friday that I missed.
Jermaine Graham.
Yes, sir.
Equipment violation.
Correct.
City of Detroit versus Jermaine Graham, case number SP 149-45871. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Graham, please state.
State your name, Mr. Graham.
Jamel Graham.
All right, so this is a civil infraction equipment violation. I don't have anything I don't have your file in front of me, so I can't know what the allegation, what the violation they're talking about is. There's a $120 fine. We'll close it out. There won't be any points, but if you want to fight it, I can set a pre-trial, I can set a formal hearing date.
I can pay it off.
You just want to pay it, or you want a formal hearing?
What formal hearing? I could probably get it dismissed.
You potentially, if the officer doesn't show up, or if we have a valid excuse, or you know.
Yeah,
Come back on the 25th of March, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right. All right. Have a good holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
Okay, you too.
All right. So let's go down to Gator never signed. There she is.
What you said? March 24th.
March 25th. March 25th at 9 a.m.
March 25th.
Yep. Don't miss it.
All right.
All right. Have a good day, sir. Have a good holiday.
You too.
On the MotoG Pure, I think it was a young lady with the black and white top on glasses. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning to you, Judge.
What is your name?
Victoria Langford.
Langford? Victoria.
Yes.
All right, good morning. All right,
Yes.
let's see. This is Langford.
Thank you.
City of Detroit versus Victoria Raquel Langford, case number SP 149-2035, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Langford.
Victoria Raquel Langford.
Today is the day and time set for a pre-trial. You have a valid license, Ms. Langford?
Yes, I had a valid license and I still had a valid license. My registration and proof of insurance, Your Honor.
Show me the insurance, please. Run Ms. Langford's license, please.
Okay. Hold on just 1 minute. Can you see it?
Hold it up. Go raise it higher. Bring it higher, a little bit higher and a little bit closer.
Okay.
Make it even, it's got a wrinkle right at where I need to read the fold. Now go up, higher, higher. What's that expiration date?
The registration?
No, the expiration date.
Oh, the expiration date, it says December 2023.
So, we'll dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you, Your Honor.
I'm dismissing the cases for providing valid documentation. Have a great day. I got a valid license here, and I see valid insurance. Have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. Have a good holiday.
You too. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. All right, let's City of Detroit versus Sierra Gator, case number SP 1501339, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gator.
Sierra Shanika Gator.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Gator. Today is the day time set for a pretrial. Ms. Gator, do you have valid insurance and registration?
I do.
Can you show the court, please?
Yes. It's a little blurry, sorry.
You have to turn the background off. I can't see it. It's blurry.
Oh, I'm sorry. How do I turn the background off? I'll give you 1 second. I don't even know how to turn this background. Okay, background and effects. I got it. None. Okay. Okay, can you see it now?
I'm satisfied. I see the registration.
Okay. Uh-oh.
I'm satisfied. I'll offer you a blocking traffic for this speeding ticket. It's 0 points. It's $175.
Your Honor?
Yes.
The docket reflects, I think, that this is a matter set for trial, the speeding matter.
Is it? I don't see that. I see it set for pre-trial.
2 pre-trials, and the last one, the 339, the one ending in 339. 3391 is set for trial on my docket.
We do have Officer Baker here. I have both of them pre-trial on here. Let's see. I'm dismissing the 2 cases anyway. Provide valid documentation, taken valid documentation. Scheduled for trial. 8:35. That's what it is. It says it on the when I look at the ROA, you're absolutely right. But on the screen here, on my document, it doesn't say that. It says pre-trial agreement. Officer Baker and let's go off the record with that, and let's go back on the record. with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gibson? Mr. Gibson, are you there? Yeah. Go ahead and break out and grab him out.
Yeah, I guess.
Please.
There he is.
All right, he's out. I'm going back on the record with Mr. Gibson. Mr. Gibson, your attorney indicates that you want to set this matter for trial, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date for March 5th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right? For March 25th. If you don't have any questions, sir, you have a very good day and best of luck to you, all right?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
All right, have a happy holiday too.
Thank you.
All right. No, Ms. Villarreal, I'm sorry. Ms. Villarreal, can you state your name for the record and the qualifications, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, certified court interpreter, number C3822.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yes, sir.
You solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in the manner now before the court, not to divulge confidential communications, so help you God.
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
And do you solemnly swear or affirm that to the best of your ability you will interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Very well. Know what that was. Okay. City of Detroit versus Santiago or Pisa Espinoza, case number SP 1482236, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamamos el caso de la ciudad de Detroit versus Santiago Oropesa Espinosa, números de caso SP1482236, cargos 1 y 2. Que todos digan sus nombres para que consten en el acta, por favor.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Soy Elwood S. Berry Jr. representando al acusado, su señoría.
All right, today is the date and time. Good morning, Ms. Espinoza. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer here, well, does Mr. Espinoza have a valid license and registration? And then
Y buenos días a usted, señor Oropesa Espinosa. Este es el día y esta es la hora que habíamos fijado para tener la consulta previa al juicio. Y la oferta para ustedes, bueno, primero permíteme preguntarle, ¿tiene usted una licencia vigente o registración vigente, señor?
Sí.
Yes.
License, please, yes, and Mr. Espinoza, can you show me some valid insurance, please?
Señor Espinosa, ¿me pudiera enseñar usted el comprobante de que su seguro de vehículo está vigente?
Sí.
Yes.
Check the license. You can put that down, sir.
Ya puede bajar ese documento, señor.
No, I'm gonna check that with the Secretary of State. I always say that might not be worth the plastic.
Y vamos a revisar con la Secretaría del Estado su licencia.
Okay.
Okay.
Valid license, valid insurance. I'll dismiss the case for providing valid documentation.
Señor, veo que usted tiene una licencia válida, que sus seguros de vehículos están válidos, así que reconociendo que usted tiene estos documentos, vamos a desestimar sus casos.
Nothing further, Mr. Espinosa. You have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
Y si no hay nada adicional, señor Espinosa, le deseo a usted unos días feriados que sean seguros y felices.
Okay. Muchas gracias, señoría.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Your other client, Ms. Villarreal?
The other one, Your Honor, is Mr. Garcia Perez.
Is Mr. Garcia Perez here?
Señor García Pérez, ¿está usted presente?
Attorney Sean Patrick Smith. Good morning to you. Who's your client? I'm going to send you Mr. Berry in the breakout room 1. Go grab out Mr. Corporal Baker, please, and see if he's here for Ms. Gator.
Hi, Judge. Sorry about that.
Morning to you. What's your client's name?
Mr. Osterman.
Osterman. I think Osterman is here.
Yep, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You here? Good morning, Corporal Baker. Are you here on Gator?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Attorney on Zoom has his own tracking back to the court itself. So he was requesting an attorney. He's basically saying it's going to adjourn.
I just had him in the breakout with Mr.
He just called.
All right, let's go. Corporal Baker, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gator. Ms. Gator, Corporal Baker, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Corporal RTS Baker, Branch 21, Detroit Police Department.
All right. Today's the date and time set for on my docket here, it says formal hearing. I mean, strike that. On my docket says hearing and pre-trial, but on the file and when you look at the ROA, it just says trial. So this was your understanding that you were here for a trial/formal hearing?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. What I have done is I have validated the insurance and registration at this time. We're dealing with a 6 to 10 over. So I was going to dismiss the insurance and registration because at least at this point she's in compliance. What do you want to do with the 6 to 10 over? The offer was going to be blocking traffic, $175.
Oh, we can knock it down to the amended charge of limited access, 1 to 5 over.
A limited access 1 to 5.
Yes.
You're gonna get that abstraction on her driver. Mr. Berry, do you want to speak with Mr. Baker in the breakout room, or do you want to speak with your client? What do you want to do? We'll call it set for formal hearing today.
Can I speak with Corporal Baker?
Yeah, we'll put you guys in a separate breakout room. Miss, as it stands right now, Miss Gator, the offer is gonna be limited access 1 to 5. That's a 0-point offense. However, will abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry any points, all right?
Okay.
During the breakout, we'll speak with Mr. Barry and Mr. Baker.
Okay, no problem, Your Honor.
City of Detroit, or strike that, State of Michigan versus Jeffrey Kent Osterman Jr., case number SX 4224414, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Mr. Smith, Attorney Smith.
Yes, Your Honor.
Appearance for the record is from your client Osterman.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yep, I'm here.
I need your appearance, Attorney Smith.
Oh, Sean Patrick Smith, P number 51431 for Mr. Osterman.
All right. Mr. Osterman, state your name for the record, please.
Yep, Jeffrey Kent Osterman Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for free for all. This is one of the cases, unless you've already spoken with the city attorney, the state attorney, that will set a trial date. I know that at least the city wants to speak to the officer after a failure to stop an ID after property damage accident ticket. That's improper lane use as well. It looks like both of them are written as misdemeanors.
That's
no,
correct.
One of them is written as a civil infraction. The other one's a misdemeanor. So I can set a formal hearing / trial date. You get the officer in here. You know how it goes. If the officer doesn't show, then you'll get dismissal, but then you'll get an opportunity to. And I'll give you an opportunity to pre-try it as well on that date. See if you can work out a deal. What would you like to do?
That's fine, Your Honor. That sounds like a great plan. Thank you.
Trial date is going to be March the March 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Nothing further. You and your client have a very good day and have a safe and happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year.
You too, Judge. Happy New Year. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Joshua Gorham. All right, are we ready on Gator? What's going to happen on Gator? You're muted, Mr. Barry.
We need a little more time, Your Honor. Officer Baker's checking a record.
All right, I thought I had her driving record. No, I don't. Go ahead. All right, I'm sorry, Officer Baker. I didn't mean to pull you off prematurely. All right, let's go with Gorham. Joshua.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
All right, thank you. Good morning to you, sir. City of Detroit versus Joshua Frederick with Bell Gorham. Case numbers SP 1501627, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gorham, please state your name for the record.
Joshua Frederick Whitfield Gorham.
All right, today is the date. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have valid registration, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's see what you have. It's another one of Officer Baker's tickets. Right. I'm satisfied with that. What I'll do is I'll give you one-time dismissal service by valid documentation, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good, safe, and happy holiday season, sir. Best of luck to you.
You as well, sir.
Lance, Shayla Lance.
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning, ma'am. City of Detroit versus, you gotta have to turn your camera on, versus Shayla Michelle Lance, case number SP 1499308, counts 1, 2, and 3, appearance for the record, please. Another one, Officer Baker speaks. He was busy.
Elwood Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lance.
Shayla Michelle Lance.
Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
I do not.
Do you own a vehicle, ma'am?
One more time?
Do you own a vehicle?
Yes.
All right. What is it going to take for you to get some? I know besides money, I know that. All right. You don't have to tell me that. How long would it take you? Why don't you get some valid registration insurance for your Christmas present?
That's definitely in the plan. It's mostly the make and model that it's making it hard to get registration and insurance. So that's just what's been mostly the holdup.
I would think that most of the holdup is money.
Well, it is.
Right.
In addition,
if you got the money, I know that they probably have a rate on these cars because they're so prone to theft and stuff, and they jack it all up. But if you have money, you pay it, and it wouldn't be an issue. So why don't you? I'm gonna give you an opportunity to get some. I'm gonna give you longer than Christmas. I'm gonna give you until the new year, January 18, 2024. Okay.
Okay.
Come back January 18, 2024. Valid registration and insurance, and then we'll talk about the speeding ticket, right?
Yes, good. Pick that remote.
I can't hear you.
Sorry, you said the 18th
of January, yes. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right. And have a good holiday season too. All right. Safe. All right. Genevieve Little. Counselor,
yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, sorry. I'm giving you Counselor. I know you have. Well, he's not here yet. Counselor, I know you have a matter in circuit court, but I have the officer here. I was putting you in the breakout room.
On your fucking city. Oh my.
All right. Counselor Lemon.
Yes.
Yeah, I put you in a breakout room with the officers here. You can work out. I know you got a matter in circuit court, but if you can work it out right quick.
Good morning, Judge. I'm sorry. I'm trying. Yeah, put me in the breakout room.
Or do you want one of the lawyers to work it out for you?
If we can work it out real quick, but last time you put me in the breakout room, Judge Ambrose wasn't there and the judge called me in.
He's in there now. He's in there now.
Okay. All right, put me in. We'll work it out. Thank you.
He's in there. Don't fall asleep to me now, Miss Little.
Yeah. I end up, I got a 3-month-old baby, so get no
Yeah, you
sleep.
want to be able to drive that baby around, huh? Legally.
Yeah.
Legally.
Yeah, that's what I'm working on.
City of Detroit versus Genevieve Sierra Little. Case number, is that Baker? SP 118098 counts 1 and counts 2. SP 129529 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1500593 counts 1 and counts 3. SP 1500716 counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Little.
Genevieve Sierra Little.
All right, Ms. Little, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You owe $336 on this old no proof of insurance. I know that's going to prevent you from getting the license until that's taken care of. You also owe, I can allow you to pay the reinstatement fee on this other proof of insurance, and it would give you a clearance here. If you paid the one and paid the reinstatement fee on the other, it would give you a clearance. You have an open alcohol and motor vehicle driver. The lowest that the city is going to go down on that is open alcohol and a motor vehicle passenger. I call that a non-offer because that's going to be 2 points on your driving record, the same 2 points as it would be pled as driver. And it'd be an alcohol related offense, and both of them have $240 fines. Let me put you in a breakout, Mr. Berry.
Go ahead.
Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, and you speak with him about it. You can ask him and talk to him about it, have a private conversation with him, all right, in the breakout room, and you can ask him about those issues. Other than that, I don't know what the city's gonna offer her, Mr. Berry, as far as this other stuff, but talk to her, see if you can decipher some things and help her work through it.
Do my best, Your Honor.
Okay.
You can move around freely, Mr. Berry. I'm gonna pass the matter until we get till they talk. Was that did you work it out, counselor?
I did, Your Honor. Officer Ambrose is agreeing to an impeding, and I'll accept that.
City of Detroit versus Whitney Scott Lemlin, case number SP 150911241. Appearance. Let me state your name for the record, please.
Good morning, Whitney Lemelin.
Corporal Ambrose, can you state your name for the record, please?
Corporal Brian Ambrose, badge 4151, Detroit Police Department.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
So stipulated. Yes.
All right. I'm gonna find you responsible to the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. I'll give you two weeks to pay it.
Thank you, Judge. I'll bring a check over today. I appreciate it.
Have a great day. Best of luck to you. And Corporal Ambrose, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day as well. We'll have
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Corporal.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Christopher Lawless. There, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Wanted to you.
You said you can't see me?
I said good morning to you. No, I can't see you because you don't have your camera on.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Good morning.
Maybe you can help.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
How's it going?
This could be better, but I guess everybody just said that. City of
Yeah, I
Detroit.
understand.
You said that, yeah. The city of Detroit versus Christopher Amos Lawless, case numbers SP 1182914, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1225632. SP 1265435, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1272219, counts 1, counts 2. SP 147839161, excuse me, SP 1489393, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name for the record. iPhone 172, you might want to stop your video.
Christopher Laws.
Well, good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. I don't know why you don't have a valid license. It doesn't appear that anything down here is holding your license up. Do you have a valid license?
Yes, Your Honor, I do.
Very good. Run his driver's license, please. Let's pass the matter momentarily. Law, L-A-U-W-E-R-S. All right, let's pass it on. What about, let's see. What about registration and insurance, Mr. Lawrence?
This is my license.
I'm gonna run that. I always say that might not be where plastic is printed on. Let's see some registration and insurance.
Registration for this is the registration, and I'm still waiting for the when I got everything. I left my insurance at the Secretary of State in Ipsy, so I'm waiting on them to mail that back to me. It's been 2 weeks.
Stand by, sir. Let me get the license checked, and we'll see where we go from there. All right.
No problem, Your Honor.
What about on Gator? Did you figure it out? Did you guys work it out? He's in the breakout room. All right, let's
Your Honor, Corporal Baker here.
Yes. Did you work it out, Corporal Baker?
I didn't get a chance to talk to him, but I'm okay with the charge status.
The blocking traffic 175.
Yes, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record, Ms. Gator. Ms. Gator, the offer is changed a little bit. You got to pay a little bit more money in exchange for not having that abstraction. So it's instead of 125, it's 175, but it doesn't abstract. What do you want to do? Where's Ms. Gator? State your name, ma'am. Unmute yourself.
Okay, sorry about that. I was hoping that it would be lower. I haven't had a speeding ticket since 2009.
Well, that's why he went. I believe he went to look up your license, and that's as low as it can go outside of him saying I'll dismiss it. And it doesn't appear that he's going to say that. So that's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. And so therefore it doesn't carry any points. Neither of them carry points. It's just that the limited access does abstract. So that way the Secretary of State and the insurance companies will know you had a speeding ticket. So it's up to you.
Okay, you said for 175.
175.
Yeah, I don't want to miss anymore. Okay, I don't. Can I get some time to pay that?
How much time do you need?
A few weeks. My pay period. Well, my pay period just was last Thursday, so I missed one pay period already. Can I get to the new year or a later date?
I give you to January 4th. That's after the new year. How about that?
Okay. I have 2 kids and I pay rent, so
I have 3 kids and I pay rent.
I know.
I mean,
I'm trying.
everybody's got kids and pay rent for the most part.
It's going to be Christmas too. Oh my God.
All right.
Can I get later than January 4th? I'm a dental assistant, so I do have employment, but I just need a little time.
January 22nd.
That's perfect.
January 22nd.
Now, how do I pay this? How do I pay this?
First, it started off in between pay periods. So I'm thinking, okay, give you 2 weeks, you got another week, and now you're down. Now, then it comes to this, and then I give you a month, and then you want. Right.
I'm just being honest. I'm definitely going to pay it.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea. Now, can you put that stipulation on the record, Ms. Harris?
So stipulated, Your Honor. And 4 kids.
You got 4 kids?
Yes.
No, I got 2 kids and a puppy. I got a puppy. So yeah.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna find your client responsible for the count of impeding traffic or blocking traffic, $175. I'm gonna give you until January 22nd, 2024 to pay that, ma'am. You pay that and then you did that kiosk in the city of Detroit. We told you to upload that, did that app to your phone, or you come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am, on local instantly. If there's nothing further, I wish you, your 2 young kids and your puppy and your family safe and happy holiday season, ma'am. And have a very good day. Maybe forego that one little Christmas present you were gonna buy yourself and pay this $175 so you can
I
keep
know.
that license.
All right, thank you. Happy holidays.
You too. All right.
Okay, bye-bye.
Corporal Baker, I don't know. Do you have anybody else that you seem to have? See.
Not I'm aware of.
No, I don't see. All right, Corporal Baker, you be safe out there. You too have a safe and happy holiday season. All right.
All right, you too, Your Honor. That's blessed.
All right, thank you. I still, Miss Little, I'm still waiting on the offer. I'm waiting on the city for Miss Little and Mr. Green, so I haven't forgotten about the 2 of you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Amos Lawler's, Mr. Christopher Amos Lawler's. I do have a valid driver's license, so that is a good piece of plastic you have there now, sir.
Appreciate it, Your Honor.
Let's see here. I do accept that certificate of what about paying this defective equipment $120 and the seatbelt $78, and we'll close all the other matters out.
Ooh, I have like 20 matters, Your Honor.
I only see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm dismissing. You have 4 or 5 of them. 5 of them have something to do with the driver's license and the registration. And you showed me, I ran the driver's license. It's good. You showed me a good copy of registration. I'll take that. You didn't show me the insurance, but I'm kind of giving you a break on that. What I can do is I can offer him a improper plate, misdemeanor, $240 fine. Will dismiss the matter once you pay it. You have an absolute right to a trial. Put you in a breakout room with one of the lawyers, and you can speak with them. All right. Let us know what you want to do.
I never had an improper play. I never had a play on the court.
Well, that would be improper automatically, but I didn't say you had an improper plate. I'm saying that, based on the no insurance, that you got it, the ticket at least that you got at the time to amend it to improper plate. That way, it's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. I'll dismiss that misdemeanor upon payment, all right? So you won't have anything, and we'll close all the other matters out. Ms. Harris, did you put your appearance on for Mr. Lawford?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, explain it to him, answer any question he may have related to the cases, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. You understand the offer, right, Ms. Harris?
Could you give it to me one more time, Your Honor?
Yes, Your Honor.
So either pleading to the civil practice of seatbelt and
you'll be able to come her dance at 5.
Who is that? And defective equipment.
4:30.
Uh-oh.
Okay, yeah, I just have her dress.
Ms. Harris?
I hear you.
I think that's you, Ms. Harris. Pleading to, Ms. Harris, are you there?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Pleading to the defective equipment 120 and the seatbelt 78, or the improper plate amended count for the no insurance, and I'll dismiss upon payment or close them out as civil infractions upon payment. He has an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, Mr. Lawless, and speak to Ms. Harris, please.
I just wanted to make sure it was an either or, not an and.
No, it's an either or.
Okay, thank you.
It's Christmas time. All right, let's go. City of Detroit versus Jarisha Obey. Case number SP 1501689. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. On behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Ms. Obey.
Jarisha Obi.
Obi, good morning to you, ma'am. To the date and time that is set for a pre-trial. Do you have valid insurance? Valid registration for this vehicle now?
Yes, sir.
Can I see it, please?
Yes.
Right, let's dismiss the matter for providing valid documentation, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you and have a safe and happy holiday season.
Thank you, you too.
Your Honor, may we speak about Miss Little?
What's going on?
Well, there is this outstanding money that's due, and it's her belief that she had a hearing at the court and these matters were dismissed. I have a case number. I'm hopeful we can look it up and either verify or not that this happened.
The one ticket that she got, so let's go back on the record for Genevieve Little. The one ticket that she got was a speeding ticket along with the no proof. So she got 16 to 20 over, dismissed by party. It was not the defendant ID theft, so that's what it is. So what we'll do on that one no proof of insurance ticket, since it was already in the system for the companion ticket, that it was dismissed by party, we will dismiss that 336 ticket.
Okay.
So P 104-26592, dismiss. And related ticket was dismissed on January 9th, 2020. January 9th, 2020. And all right, does that help?
Oh, that helps enormously, Your Honor. The remaining matters are.
What does she want to do?
Well, in light of she's now, if she has valid insurance, and so if she could get that resolved, she'd be in a position to get her license. And
why doesn't she let's go in the breakout room, get her. Why doesn't she take this $45 reinstatement fee up front? Get her license. That'll get her a license. We set a trial date on this stuff because she still got the open alcohol and motor vehicle driver.
Right. Let me go.
Go in the breakout room and speak to her, and then we'll continue on.
Right.
All right. Gunter, Michael Gunter. Mr. Gunter, are you there?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hear me?
I can hear you.
We're ready on Lowers, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lowers. Mr. Lowers, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client wishes to admit responsibility to the 2 civil infractions.
Is that correct, Mr. Lowers? Is he here?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join that breakout room, Ms. Little, to speak back with your lawyer.
Oh no, I said yes, Your Honor. I'll take it.
Ms. Little. All right. So.
But can I at least have till January, at least sometime?
Hold on 1 second.
May I?
Yes, you may. But let me
Thank you.
write this stuff down.
I let Mr. answer because Yancy came in and did a check. So she sent this to her. Maybe the success.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for a responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
I'm gonna find your client responsible for, as charged with the defective equipment. I'm gonna fine him $120 for that. And I'm gonna fine him as charged to the seatbelt, $78 for that. Dismissing the other matters for some of them per plea, I'll put on the notes, and some of them provide valid documentation for the license, provide valid documentation for the registration, for providing valid documentation for the insurance per the plea. So it's 120 plus 78. That's like 198, I think. I'll waive the warrant fees paid by, you say, I'll give you to the 22nd of January as well.
Oh yeah, that's perfect, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, pay it any give that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. If it's nothing further, Mr. Lawless, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Be safe.
Thank you too, Your Honor. Have a good holiday.
Thank you too. Okay. Mr. Gunter, good morning, APA Cole. Mr. Gunter, you're supposed to be here tomorrow.
Oh, it's tomorrow?
This is City of Detroit versus Michael Eugene Gunter, case number SP 1455018, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gunter, please state your name for the record.
Michael Gunter.
All right, today is the date and time set for, we'll call it set for pre-trial. Mr. Gunter, do you have a valid license and insurance?
Oh no, I ain't driving, Your Honor. I paid my ticket off in Southfield, and my court date is, not my court date, my Secretary of State date time is today at 10:40.
All right, so
for my text.
You're gonna get it. You're gonna get a license. So why do you say you're not driving then? If you're about to go get a license.
I ain't driving. I'm riding with somebody else.
No, but I'm saying though, you're trying to get a driver's license to drive, aren't you?
Yeah, but you said my insurance. I said I'm not driving. I don't have no insurance.
All right, let's go. Come on back tomorrow. Hopefully you get that license.
Oh, me too. I pray I get it. I'll be back tomorrow. I promise.
I'll be praying for you. With you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Good. See you tomorrow.
All right. Have a good day.
You too. Mel, is Mel here? I don't know, Miss. Good morning, Miss APA Cole. Good morning to you.
To you too, judges. Goree here. Corporal Hayward is waiting in a breakout room to speak with me.
Yeah, he's here.
Mr. Goree, Michael Goree's case.
Mike Goree is here. At least last time.
Yes, I see him.
The officers. If you need a separate, let me know.
I would like to. Corporal Hayward told me here. Oh yes, there he is. Thank you, Judge.
Mel is gone. Roche.
Yes, I'm here.
Gaucher?
Yes. This is Yvonne Gaucher.
How do you pronounce your name?
Yvonne Gaucher.
The City of Detroit versus Yvonne Gaucher, case number B13281. Strike that. B13201-823, B13201-923, B13202023, B13202123. Appearance for the record, please.
Yeah.
Anybody want to represent Ms. O'Shea?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Sherica Harris on behalf of Ms. Gaucher. Please state your name.
Yavante Gaucher.
All right, I guess the offer is going to be pleading as charged. This will be a 12-month delay, $240 fine on the as charged to the animal cruelty. I'm going to put you in a break room. I do have a ticket here, and
I'm sorry. That he told me to show proof that the dogs don't look cruelty and I have vaccination.
I didn't say anything yet. I'm just giving you the offer. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Miss Harris and speak to her about it. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Let's see if I can get this correct. Ms. Villaroo, your client again, you can call out and see if your client is here.
Thank you, Your Honor. Señor Alberto García Pérez, ¿está usted aquí?
Okay. What are we going to do with Miss Little's cases, Mr. Barrett?
Your Honor,
let's go back on the record with Miss Little. Go ahead, Mr. Barrett.
yes, Your Honor, Ms. Little would avail herself of the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee and then go seek her license and return for a trial date, a bench trial date, Your Honor.
That's what you want to do, Miss Little? Where's Miss Little?
She's here. Unmute, Miss Little.
Sometimes we need to give them a little help.
Okay, yes, that's what I want to do. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Give Miss Little a little help. All right, Miss Little, you want to do that? The reinstatement fee on this one note, I'm dismissing one insurance note because your attorney came in here and he let us know. I see what happened on the 9th of January 2020. So we'll dismiss that. I'll put that on the record why. The other insurance note I'll allow you to pay the $45 reinstatement fee for that up front. And we will set a trial date / formal hearing on all the other matters, including that insurance note on March the 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. So once you pay that reinstatement fee, it appears that you'll at least be clear down here with 36 District Court to get a license. So you'll have a license before, hopefully you can bring back a license before your next court date and some insurance and stuff like that. But you have any questions?
No.
The date is going to be March the 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. You come down to the courthouse with that $45. That's the only way I can get you to do that. You have to come down to the window, pay that $45, wait 48 to 72 hours, and then approach the Secretary of State for a driver's license. All right?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you have a safe and happy holiday season, man. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead.
Your Honor, we're ready on Ms. Gaucher's matter.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gaucher. Ms. Gaucher, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date, please and thank you.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gaucher?
Yes.
All right, I'm going to set the matter for trial. That's going to be March 25th, 2024 at 9 a.m. There's nothing further, Ms. Gaucher. You have a very good, safe, and happy holiday season, right?
Thank you. You as well.
All right, thank you. What about, I need some more trial dates, Mr. Hughes. All right, what about, I'm going to see if I can get this correct. Paul Olisakwe.
Yes, Paul Olisakwe.
Olisakwe, okay, close, sorry. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Right, City of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Paul Olisakwe, case number SP 149-47031, SP 1516601, counts 2 and counts 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Osakawi.
Paul Olisakwe.
Today is, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The officer is going to be pleading as charged. Pleading as charged to the disorderly conduct, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, and we'll dismiss the 2 civil infractions now. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Speak with him. Let us know what you want to do. Keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial.
Okay.
All right. Calvin Lee.
I'm right here.
Is that Calvin Anthony Lee?
Yes.
Morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
This is one of our frequent flyers here. City of Detroit and the state of Michigan versus Calvin Anthony Lee, case number SP 1295212, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1295231, SP 1322332, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1322337, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1333639, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 194, counts 1 and counts 2. Where are you, Mr. Lee?
Well, I'm at work.
Got a lot of background noise. SP 1399465, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1404996, 1 and counts 2. SP 1407681. Go somewhere where it's a little quieter.
I'm here. I'm going now.
SP 1439684, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1456719, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 98-31141. SX 3543764 B122-90923. Eighteen 3367581. Here's for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lee, please state your name for the record. Mr. Lee, could you unmute your device and state your name for the record?
Calvin Anthony Lee.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Not guilty on his behalf. I'll give him a $0 bond. I don't know what you want to do with all of this stuff. You join the breakout room. It appears he needs to take a driving class. The allegations suggest that he doesn't have a license and that he's got multiple, I can say definitively on some of them, multiple 16 to 20, 26 to 30, 26 to 30, careless driving. Just the list goes on and on. I'll offer him, give him the opportunity to take the better driver's course, speak to him, give him that information about the course in my email address if you choose to do it. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with him and let us know what you want to do. Let's know what he wants to do. Join the breakout room, speak with the lawyer, Mr. Lee. iPhone 120, let's pass it. iPhone 172. iPhone 172.
Excuse me, Your Honor,
yeah.
I was just.
Right, no, go. I gave you access to move around APA code as you choose.
I was just trying to find out. I was trying to see if Mr. Khaled Omar had checked in, or is it Omar Khaled? Because I wanted to.
Gore, is that an officer?
No, Trooper Al Kafaji. We had an offer on it, but I didn't see that he had checked in. He said it was Khaled Omar.
Trooper Al Kafaji is here.
Yeah, he gave me an offer, but I didn't see that the response.
Khaled Nasir Ahmad.
Yes.
I haven't seen that person.
Okay.
So the trooper can go ahead and leave.
That's what I wanted to ask you, because he worked all last night and he was asking me if he had checked in. I appreciate that, Judge. I'm sorry to interrupt your docket.
No, is that all you have, APA?
I have Goree, but I just emailed Miss. I think it's Dia Chiku is now in your courtroom.
I don't know. The city attorney?
Yeah, the city attorney. Because I have a case called Goree, and I see he's there.
Last time was last week was last couple of weeks has been the city attorney. I don't know who's going to be here today. Nobody showed up here.
Okay, I'm going to check with Miss Walker then, but I'm going to tell Trooper he can leave. Thank you, Judge. I apologize for interrupting.
Oh, that's all right. Have a great day. If I don't see you, have a good holiday season too. The iPhone 172, I asked you to unmute yourself and turn your camera on. All right, let's move on down to Mr. Owens. Pauline Owens. are you there? Pauline, Deshaun Owens.
Here, sir.
Did I get the pronunciation correct? Did I get the pronunciation correct?
Yes, William Owens. I put the Q in front of William.
William Owens. All right. What's that? What's so funny? Don't mute yourself now. What's so funny?
Who you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
I was laughing at the Q instead of William with what he said. Put the Q instead of William. Q William.
I failed to see what's so funny, but what's your name?
Anthony Gaines.
Oh, that's funny. All right, Mr. Owens. Let's see. You have a lot of things going on too. City of Detroit. Versus Courtroom, Deshaun Owen, case number SP 1273450, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1489636, counts 1 and counts 2 and counts 3. SP 9695371, State of Michigan versus Mr. Owens, case number SX 2691547, counts 1 and counts 2. Twelve 4069621, 13 469254, counts 1, 2, and 3. 17 3660271. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Owens.
William Owens.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Here, a not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Got some cases go all the way back to 2012 and 2013.
Did you take the tape?
I didn't hear you.
I'm sorry, sir.
Hold on, though. You need that, JA?
What are you doing?
Who, me?
Yes.
No, I'm at work, sir. I'm not doing anything.
All right, but you're in court right now. You're in court right now. So
I understand that, sir. But I'm a dialysis tech, so I was pulling needles out before you called my name. So I apologize.
all right. I'm a not guilty plea, $0 bond. What do you want to do? Set a trial date or get an offer? Mr. Berry,
I can get it out the way.
Speaking of a breakout room.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, please, sir. Speak with the lawyer. All right, Ms. Harris, do you have somebody we're ready on? Lee?
Ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, we're respectfully requesting an adjourned pretrial He was given the information for the Better Drivers course. He was also provided with the court's email address to email his certificate of completion.
Yeah, but he needs to go to some sort of, maybe some, I don't know, what's the adjourned pretrial, what is the purpose of the pretrial?
Well, Your Honor, I think that he would get an offer if he was able to come back with that certificate. But if the court is inclined to allow a trial date would be awesome. Thank you.
Oh, I definitely a trial date with all this because this is like you know, I don't know what just for the Better Drivers course, he can bring that back on the date of trial. You want a trial date, sir?
Yes.
March the 26th, 2020, at 9 a.m. March the 26th. Give me that information to the Better Drivers course, and I'll let the prosecutor know on that date that you took, right?
Okay.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you. Have a happy holiday.
All right, you talk.
Which one are you ready on, Mr. Barry? What about Mr. Paul? Elasiku. But I got it better the last time.
It's Paul Olisakwe.
Listen, back on the record, what are we gonna do?
I'll set the matter for bench trial, Your Honor.
All right, and that's what you want to do, Mr. Olisakwe?
Yes, sir.
Let's say March the 26th, 2024 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Happy holiday season, sir. Be safe out there.
Thank you. You too.
We have some people with some officers in the breakout room. Go already have trial today.
You want to leave out?
Yeah, you're free to leave. Come back March 26, 2024. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I'm giving you an opportunity, sir, to speak. I need an offer. I need an offer there. Mr. Owens, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room.
We didn't have an opportunity to speak. I was placed with Mr. Gaines.
Oh, okay. All right, join the breakout room, Mr. Owens. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
All these open? The ones with the check?
Yeah.
Then they can get back. Yeah, speed between 2025 over discard traffic lights.
Oh. All right. He took the class. He took the class. He took the class. Mr. Anthony Alonzo Gaines. Unmute yourself, please.
Alonzo is not my middle name, sir.
What's your middle name?
Tyrone, Tyrone.
Is it Gaines, G-A-I-N-E-S?
No, Gaines.
Gaines, I'm sorry, that's what I meant to say.
Yes, sir. I've had a mistaken with the Alonzo before, but that's, like I said, that's not my middle name.
All right. City of Detroit versus Anthony Tyrone Gaines. Case number SP 1265293, count 1. SP 1501608, counts 1 and counts 2. appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gaines, please state your name.
Anthony Gaines. Anthony Tyrone Gaines.
Right, SP 1265293-1 from the record. That was already adjudicated. So we're just dealing with SP 1501608, counts 1 and counts 2. He's got some outstanding matters that he hasn't paid. Paid SP 105-36761. Close that out. We're dealing with driving license suspended at 11 to 15 over. Where's Mr. Goss?
Oh, he's right there, Judge.
All right. You have a valid license, Mr. Gaines?
I'm not sure at this time. I haven't drove in a couple months due to my car being stolen. My car was stolen, and I forgot the date, but like I said, I haven't had a car since then. I know I had some tickets that I didn't pay, so I don't know if they suspended my license due to me not paying since then.
Run his driver's license, please.
Mr. Anthony Gaines.
Please.
We don't need it real quick, but I gotta run to the back because I'm on court.
All right, let's pass the matter. What's going to go on with Mr. Owens? So you got an opportunity to speak, Mr. Owens, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor, and we seek a bench trial date.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, you want a bench trial date? He's on mute. He's on mute. You're on mute, sir.
Where is he?
Yes, sir.
All right, bench trial is going to be March 26, 2024, 9 a.m., right? There's nothing further. You have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you in the new year.
All right, now.
On that iPhone, I'm asking you to unmute yourself, turn your camera on, please. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. James Green. Way back from Mr. James Green.
Yes.
Mr. Green, giving you an opportunity to speak. I didn't give you an opportunity to speak to counsel yet.
We were awaiting an offer, Your Honor.
Yeah, here's the deal. 6 to 10, limited access, $135, 1 point, and expired plate. Dismiss the other matters. 145 for the expired plate, 135 for the 6 to 10. He'll get a point out of that. He has an absolute right to a trial. And I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, speak to him, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, Mr. Green. Who's on that iPhone? Asked to unmute themselves.
Kiera Gay.
Kiera Gay?
Yes.
All right, I have Glory here. Good morning to you, ma'am.
I'm sorry.
Corporal Frida's here for Lemon. Lemon's here. Haywood is here for Gory. And Gory is here. Officer Bird. You said who's here for Gory? Corporal Haywood. Okay. Officer Bird is here for Leonard. Is Leonard here? Leonard didn't show. We'll let Officer Bird go. Only 2 officers here. But I see, Boris checked in as well. He's not here, he just called. He's for Gory as well. He still hasn't showed, so I don't know. He did call and check in. Okay. All right, Miss Gay is here. And that is Kiera Gay. Okay, you have a valid license, ma'am?
No, I do not.
So the city of Detroit versus Kiera Gay, case number SB 1404548, counts 1, 2, and 3, SB 1487321, counts 1 and counts 2. Here for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Kiera Deshawn Gay.
Today is the date and time set for a show cause where it comes from.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
What enter a not guilty plea in client's behalf will be the client of $0 bond. Gay, both for I can let you pay this reinstatement fee up front. There's no proof of insurance, and you can potentially come back with a valid license.
Okay, how much would the reinstatement fee be?
$45.
Okay, and then I'll be able to get my license because I've been working on trying to get it, but with
I don't know that. I just know that this is holding you up. I don't know what you have in other jurisdictions. You got to come down to the court for that insurance no proof and tell them you have to come to the window, pay the reinstatement fee up front. And then what I'll do is I'll set you a pre-trial date of January 18, 2024. Once that reinstatement fee is paid, wait 48 to 72 hours and then approach the Secretary of State. See if they'll give you a license. If they don't, then you can ask them for a printout for what's affecting your license. All right?
Okay, that was January 18th.
24. Nothing further. So you have to come down to the window with that 45 as soon as you can. Then you'll wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that and go to the Secretary of State, see if they'll give you a license. All right.
Oh.
All right. If there's nothing further, man, have a safe and happy holiday season. Best of luck to you.
You as well. Thank you.
Your Honor, this is Interpreter Villarreal. Since the defendant was supposed to be here at 8:30, and I don't believe he's appeared yet, would you like me to continue waiting?
That's totally up to you. I'll leave that up to you, Ms. Villarreal. But I don't see him. He hasn't appeared, and we're almost. I won't say that out loud, Ms. Williams Law, but we're close. Put it that way. You never know what happens.
Well, if it's okay with you, Your Honor, I will disconnect. But should you need me, if they contact me, I'm available all morning and even in the afternoon. Should you need me?
Very well. Good to see you. Will you be here on Wednesday?
Yes, Mrs. Hernandez and I will be here on Wednesday. We're going to be juggling our cases because we also have assignments in other courts, but we will be both there. Yes.
Very well. Okay, I'll see you Wednesday. Have a great day. Best of luck to you and see you Wednesday.
Thank you, Your Honor. See you Wednesday.
Thank you. Christina's iPad.
Hello, Your Honor.
All right. Miss, what's your last name, ma'am? Good morning to you.
Good morning. It's Genovis.
Genovis?
Yes.
See. Okay. Now let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Berry in the breakout room. Mr. Gaines.
No, when it was time for me to speak to Mr. I'm sorry about that. Mr. Perkins. Me and Mr. Berry never spoke. You sent me in under somebody
Oh.
else's place, and then I left out, and we haven't spoke since then. I'm sorry.
All right, all right. Let's go give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry.
Okay.
And join you in that room. So rejoin that room, and then Mr. Berry, why don't you tell me what's going on with Mr. Green? Wait on Mr. Berry for a second, Mr. Yang.
Okay.
Mr. Green would avail himself of the offer, Your Honor. Stands ready to enter.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. James Green. Mr. Green, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, he said avail himself to the offer. Stipulate to the basic ticket as an active factual basis for those responsible, please.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 6 to 10. That's 1 point. An expired plate. And we'll dismiss the other matters. All right, go ahead and join and speak to Mr. Gaines in that breakout room, Mr. Berry.
Yes, Your Honor.
Where are you, Mr. Green?
Right here, Your Honor.
You heard everything, right?
Yes.
All right, 145 and 135. When can you pay?
Can you give me about a month and a half or so?
All right, I'm gonna give you till January the 22nd.
Okay.
January the 22nd, pay at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. Have a safe and happy holiday season, please, sir.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. All right.
You can dismiss them just say
City of Detroit versus Christina Del Carmen Genevieve.
Genovese.
Case number SP 1488241, SP 148881571. Appearance for the record, please.
The hearings on behalf of Ms. Genovese, please state your name.
Christina del Carmen Genovese.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, counsel.
Proceedings of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. You have a valid license, ma'am?
Not at the moment. I do have a permit, but not a license.
Run a driver's license, please.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna check your license out.
I am in the plan of doing that. That's why I've been practicing driving. The only thing I have to do at the moment is get like a rental car to go to get the exam done.
Just wait 1 second, please. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Genevieve?
Mm-hmm. With a Z at the end. Genovese.
That would still be Genevieve though, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm working on my Spanish every day, just to let you
That's
know.
good.
It's very important to me. I'm gonna be fluent at some point. Maybe take me a couple of years, but I'm gonna keep on working it every day. All right. I'm gonna dismiss the driver's license never acquired ticket. I have a valid license. When you have a permit, it reads valid from the Secretary of State. I guess until you do something that might, if you do something that messes that up, which I hope you don't. I'm gonna offer her a blocking traffic for the speeding ticket, violation of basic speed law. That's gonna be a 0-point offense. It won't abstract to the Secretary of State, $175, but you do have an absolute right to a trial. What do you want to do?
I'll do the trial.
Well, speak to Ms. Harris first. Yeah. Join the breakout room and speak to Ms. Harris, please. All right, we ready on Mr. Gaines? Let's go back.
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Anthony Tyrone Gaines. Mr. Gaines, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel. Mr. Berry's driver's license is suspended. It doesn't appear that anything down here has suspended his license. I don't know if it's some another jurisdiction or not, but what's he want to do?
Bench trial date, Your Honor. He'll be able to resolve the out of Detroit ticket and get back.
That's what you want to do, Mr. Gaines?
Yes, sir. I had talked to someone in Dearborn Heights, and they told me I have to come turn myself in and pay $75, and that will clear everything up for my license as far as outside of the Detroit jurisdiction.
So we're only talking about these two tickets, SP 1501608 counts 1 and counts 2. I'm going to set a trial/formal hearing date of March the 26th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, if there's nothing further.
I also have a question about that, Mr. Perkins.
Yeah.
If I decide, because I will be getting my license back, to tell me I have to turn myself in like on a Monday or a Thursday or something like that. Once I do that, will I have to wait on my trial date, or will I have my license back, or
back in, will come on back the valid license on the trial date, and we'll deal with the tickets on that date. All right.
All right. Thanks a lot.
I have a great, safe, happy holiday season. I don't know why you laugh at somebody's name, though.
No, I was laughing at what he said and how he said it. He was saying a Q instead of a W is Quilliam. So like I said, I had never heard that. I wasn't laughing at the name. I just didn't understand why someone would mess up the name rather than ask what the name was.
How does he mess up the name? I messed up the pronunciation of the name.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. The pronunciation. If the pronunciation is a little unclear to you, I feel like you should just always ask.
Who, me?
Anyone.
So you're laughing at me?
No, I wasn't laughing at you, sir. I was laughing at him saying put the Q instead of the William instead of the W. That's all I was laughing at.
All right, sir. If there's nothing further, have a good day. Safe and happy holiday season.
You too, you and your family have a blessed holiday and Happy New Year.
All right, you too. All right. Miss APA code for Mr. Gorey. Let's do this. Let's go back on the record with Genevieve. Ms. Genevieve, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to admit responsibility. So we stipulate to the face of the ticket for purposes of the factual basis, and we stipulate to probable cause for the dismissals.
All right, you understand now what's going on, Ms. Genevieve?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate that, with that stipulation, I'm gonna find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175, I'll dismiss the misdemeanor, provided valid documentation. Let's see, when 175, when can you pay it?
I could pay it next month.
That's gonna set that rental car back a little while too, isn't it? Or you're gonna use the time that I'm giving you. You're gonna go get the rental car so you can get that license, aren't you?
Yes.
Pay this by January 22nd. Pay it by January 22nd, 2024. And if you don't have any further questions, you have a safe and happy holiday season, man. Best of luck to you on that license as well.
Okay, thank you.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. I'm trying to get Officer Corporal Hayward out of there.
Yeah, he and I wanted to speak with House Counsel.
Yes. You did? Okay. So, Ms. Harris, why don't
yeah,
you
on Mr. Gorey's case, he and I.
To join the breakout room and speak with APA Cole and tell Officer Bird that he can come on out of there.
And if we could put Corporal Hayward in with us as well. In room 1.
Corporal Hayward is in there, and just tell Officer Bird to come out. I'm gonna put Mr. Goss in there as well.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Very well. Now you all can join. But now Corporal Hayward's out. Go back and rejoin Corporal Hayward. They're all waiting on you. All right, Officer Bird, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. What's good? I apologize about earlier. Into the court.
All right, no problem. All right, let's yeah, I was calling you out because calling you out. Not because of what happened earlier. I was calling you out of the breakout room. You know what I'm saying? You had Leonard. Leonard didn't show, so I'll put it on the record and allow you to put your appearance on the record for your records.
Yes, sir.
And this is the city of Detroit versus Marcus Leonard. Case number is SP 3387091, SP 9773833, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 9773833, SP 1258610, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1410099, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1410121, that's 19525512, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 19525531. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, sir.
He's not here. He failed to appear. Officer Bird and Officer Bird just fell off.
What's his name?
Pardon me. That's Marcus Leonard.
Marcus Leonard.
Ms. Mathis, can I get that file? That's fine. And you can just hand it. Officer Bird is not connected to audio, so I'm going to put Officer Bird as here. Officer, can you state your name for the record and your badge number and department, please?
Billy Bird, badge 914, City of Detroit, 8th Precinct.
All right. Good morning to you, Mr. Leonard. Marcus Leonard didn't appear, put a failure to appear bench warrant, $0 bond. Officer Byrd, if there's nothing further, be safe out there. Have a very good day, safe and happy holiday season, all right?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
City of Detroit versus Desmond Alexander. Case number SP 142-18121, SP 142-18141. State your name for the record, please, and appearance for the record, too.
Desmond.
Who's on Lemon? State of Mr. Berry?
Oh, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of
Mr. Lemon.
Mr. Lemon, yes. State your name.
State your name, please, for the record.
Desmond Lemon.
Yes, and then good morning to you, and Corporal McCree, good morning to you. Can you state your name and put your appearance on the record, please? All right, Mr. Lemon, do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes, you told back in August we had a hearing, and I was telling you that I was going to get a new car and a new job where I would be have that now. I could send it to you, but what I don't have registration because it's all what they give me is all weatherproofed into here, and so but I can send you the attachment on the. I took a picture of it and can send you the.
That's a dealer plate.
Yeah, this is covers. This is the insurance I'm insured on. This insurance right here.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. This is a private vehicle. This is your own vehicle, right?
No, remember I told you I don't have a vehicle and I'm getting a new car and I don't have a car and so this is how I'll be insured. I told you that back in August.
I don't get it.
You told me I told you the car that I had that ticket in, I don't have that car it's gone.
Right. So listen, all right. That's fine. Everybody changes cars. You got another car. I'm asking you for insurance and registration. You're showing me, you said I got a job and I got another car, but you're showing me a dealer plate and you're trying to represent that with this dealer plate, whatever plate that is, whatever car assigned to that, the insurance is attached to that. That's not going to get it.
Oh, so that's what I was telling you back in August. I didn't understand. I didn't know what to tell you from back then. And you told me if I come back and bring this. So, cause I was telling you I didn't have a car or would have insurance that I would have one because I'm covered through the car that I have. And so I have two of these and how are you
covered through that?
Through my company.
You own the company, the dealer?
No. When I ride around or ride.
See, I think you need to stop right now and speak to the lawyer then, because it's not sounding too good to me. Speak to Mr. Berry, and maybe he can to figure heads and tails of this. All right.
Okay.
Join the breakout room. Mr. Corporal McCree, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865, Detroit Police.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Okay, are we ready on? No, not yet on Gorey. We're not ready yet on Gorey. Essentially, they want you to get a license, Mr. Gorey. We start writing all this stuff down because there's a lot. Figure it out?
I think so, Your Honor.
All right.
The fact is that Mr.
Still in the breakout room.
Works for the dealership, the Ray Latham dealership, and this is his assigned vehicle.
Oh, I see. I wonder if Tom King still works over there. I'm gonna ask him. All right, no inch. He's still in the breakout room, so you want to bring him out?
Yes, sir.
I don't know how he substantiates that. Mr. Lemon, you're at Ray Latham over there on Mac?
Correct.
How long have you been there?
I started on November 13th, so it will be last Monday. This is my second complete week.
What do you do?
Sales consultant.
Who's the finance guy over there?
Tom King, Armand. I just started.
Tell Tom King I said hi.
I sit right next to him.
He worked right next to you?
Yes, he hired me actually directly.
All right. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Lemon. Mr. Corporal McCree.
Yes, Judge.
Did you hear all that?
Yes, I heard.
So Mr. Lemon indicated last time he came in that he didn't know, he no longer had that car that he was driving at the time. He did indicate that he was going to get a new car, but apparently he hasn't gotten a new car. He gets the benefit of not have to pay a car note like we all do, or insurance. And I'm not being jealous about it or anything. I would like to have that benefit, but we all can't get that, right? And he does have dealer plates to the car that he drives. I do know Tom King very well, and that's why I asked him about how long he was working there and who who was the finance person there, and he got it right. What do you want to do with these tickets, Mr. Corporal McCree?
Yeah, I'm good. We can dismiss it, sir.
All right. So that's going to be an early Christmas present for you, sir. So you can see Mr. Corporal McCree is not being jealous or holding it against you for him not being able to drive a car for free and no insurance like we all else have to do. So I'm going to dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation.
Thank you, Ron. And I'll tell Tom that you said hi, and Corporal McCree, thank you, and to the lawyer Barry, if you guys just come by and see me, and I'll hook you up with some discounts.
Yeah, he want to sell one of them cars. He put the plug out. There it is. So he wants to put you in some further debt and get you some higher insurance rate.
So send all your friends and families my way, y'all, and I'll be more than grateful.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day. Corporal McCree still have one more here. Best of luck to you. Have a happy holiday season. Tell Tom I said hi and tell him to give me a call sometime.
Okay, thank you. I will. Goodbye.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Dion Gorey. Case number SP 1212760, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1296929, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1316151, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1381390, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1458950, counts 2 and 3. SP 1458951. SP 9964561. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Gorey. He's actually in a breakout room. We were discussing his matters, Your Honor, and I am currently trying to get Corporal Hayward into room 1 with myself and Prosecutor Goss and Cole, but don't know.
Well, you should have let him put his appearance on the record first. But he's in the break. I think he just joined the room.
Okay.
What happened to all the officers left? Or they just fell out, except Officer Boris. Officer Boris, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boris, Dash 2102 at Detroit Police.
Good morning to you. I'm gonna have Corporal Hayward here, Jamie McCree here, and Corporal and Officer Boris here. So go ahead. I know that Goss indicated that he has pretty much he can go get a valid license, and he was going to give him that opportunity to do so. Let's discuss the cases that that aren't on the docket. There's this 2004499999101. I'm not sure if that's my case or not. And then let's discuss the cases where the officers have not appeared.
And Your Honor, for the matters that are not on the docket, we would waive formal reading, stand mute. We respectfully request a trial date on those. With regards to the matters where the
I'm sorry. Let's do this. The one, the 20044999101 is a warrant out for his arrest, and that's in front of Judge Bryant. So he has to go to Judge Bryant for that. We'll strike that matter from our record. We're just dealing with it. Go ahead.
I just want to make sure I just want to bring him out here so that he can hear all of that. Okay. So I'm trying to get him out of the breakout room.
Officer Denard.
Yes.
Good morning to you. So, so we have a half-hour grace period for officers, but just to give you a heads up for future reference, but defendant Oliver never showed, so we're gonna put a failure to appear bench warrant out for his arrest.
Okay. Yeah, I checked in at 8:53 this morning, but I had two courts at 9 a.m. and nobody came into the breakout room for almost 30 minutes, so I had to leave. And now that got handled, so now I'm back.
Next time, don't just leave. Shoot me a message. Let me know where you're gonna be.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, have a good one. Be safe out there. Have a happy holiday season.
All right, thank you. You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gorey. Mr. Gorey, I'm telling your counsel that this 2004499-101 is going to be stricken from my record because that's Judge Bryant's case. There's a warrant out for your arrest on that. As for the cases with no officer, let's call Officer Rozier. Hearing no response, you want to make a motion on those, and Officer Myers. Hearing no response and have not seen those come into the breakout room. You want to make a motion?
Defense moves to dismiss, Your Honor.
All right, we'll dismiss those cases, no officer. The other cases, I have Mr. Goss looked at the file and he indicated that Mr. Gorey, believe it or not, is eligible for a license, I guess. And Mr. Goss didn't present an offer in the file because he was going to give him an opportunity to go get the driver's license. You can join the breakout room and speak to the APA Cole and Corporal Hayward. They're waiting on you. And then Officer Boris is here. He hears that. So let me know what you want to do after you get out, and then after you speak to your client.
Your Honor.
Yes.
For Mr. Gorey, no officer dismissed. But if you could tell me the officer, I guess, again.
Rozier, Rozier, and Meyer, Meyers. Those two officers did not appear.
Oh.
Dismissed cases, no officer. All right, Mr. Gore, can you state your name for the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor. Michael Gorey.
All right. Ms. Harris, what did you come up with?
So, Your Honor, I was able to provide documentation regarding insurance and registration to Madam Prosecutor. She wants to take more time to review that with Corporal Hayward. Before any offer is extended, we are asking for a global adjournment of his matters. Hopefully he can come back with a valid license. Still make sure you bring that registration and insurance just in case they need to review that again. And that's what we are requesting. They were supposed to be joining because they wanted to make sure they were here when you provided the new date.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I can just go to the Secretary of State and pay the money, and I can get my license.
I can't say yes and I can't say no to that, but you definitely want to go to the Secretary of State and they can give you further instructions on what you can do for your license.
Yes, I last time I went to the Secretary of State, I paid the money. I think I had a warrant fee or something, and I attempted to get my license. They gave me a state ID, basically saying that I had to go to court. So I'm not. I mean, I can go back up there today and attempt to get a license. I mean, I really am trying to get my license.
Yes,
But
So, Your Honor, I think what Mr. Gorey is attempting to say is that he was given information that he may have matters with the court that he has to resolve prior to obtaining his license. We are just asking if you could tell us yes or no, based on what you see.
MDOP, I don't know what this MDOP, Mr. Goss reviewed his driving record. And Mr. Goss, the city attorney, is the one that indicated that he's eligible. And he's pretty good at reviewing the driving records.
So the MDOP, is that with Judge Bryant, Your Honor?
Yes. January 2020, 2021, 2020 is registration denial through indefinite. I don't know what that means, but Mr. Goss indicated that. I will give him an opportunity to try back again. That warrant is out for his arrest, so he has to go see. So maybe you may want to go see Miss Judge Bryant first.
He's definitely going to have to do that first.
Yeah,
I would do that. I would
lifted, and then once you get the warrant lifted, the case can probably remain open. I don't know, but the case can. Then you go to Secretary of State.
Okay, could you tell me what the warrant is for?
MDOP. Malicious destruction of property. Malicious destruction of property. 200 to 1,000. So I don't know if that's going to affect his license. That shouldn't sound like it'll affect his license. But you do need to take care of that. I'm going to give you until January 18th. APA Cole, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Certainly, Judge Paula Cole, on behalf of the people.
And
Corporal Hayward and I discussed this, and Attorney Harris sent us some documentation we wanted to review, so we were hoping it would also get adjourned to show that there was valid documentation, but we haven't even had a chance to review it.
Yeah, that's fine. I was going to give him an opportunity. If Goss indicated that he wanted him to come back with a license, as I do as well, and I'm sure you and Corporal Hayward and everybody wants him to get a license. Corporal Hayward, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, sir. Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning to you. So I'll give you until I'll just set it for a pre-trial. Corporal Hayward and APA Cole, you're more than welcome to show back up at that pre-trial date and worse. But you try and get a license. We dismissed some of the cases because the officers weren't here. So we're just dealing with the cases of the 3 officers that were here, and that'll give APA Cole time to validate and Corporal Hayward time to validate the documentation that you had. And I want you to bring that documentation back anyway on the 18th and try to get a valid license, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then in the meantime, you need to deal with what Judge Bryant has. So that's going to be a pretrial date for January 18, 2024 at 8:30. There's nothing further, Mr. Gorey. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, and have a good, happy, and safe holiday season. All right. And Officer Corporal Hickwin, Officer Corporal McCree, Officer Boris, and APA Cole. Have a very good rest of your day. Have a very good, happy, and safe holiday season.
Thank you, Judge.
Happy holidays, Your Honor.
Thank
And thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Oh, wait. Thank you, Lloyd. What are you doing here so late, sir?
I was at a job interview. I remember last time you said 30-minute grace period. So
that's for the officer.
Oh,
I don't see you on the docket at all. Did you get the job?
It's a sales position. They said come in Wednesday for training, so I'm pretty sure I did.
Sounds like you did. Congratulations.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
I don't see you on the docket. It's just Eric. It's Eric Lloyd, right?
Yeah.
He's at 1:30, Your Honor, I believe.
Your father's surgery, he said.
So it's set.
The operation had gone well. No surprises. He'd amputated just a little above the knee.
Turn your device down, please.
Excuse me, could you turn it down for me, Eric? Thanks a lot.
Oh, he's in the city of Detroit versus Eric Caleb Lloyd. Case number SP 1505553, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
L.S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendants. State your full name, Mr. Lloyd.
Eric Lloyd.
I'm going to set a trial date. Arraignment purposes, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. I'm going to set a trial date. This is disregarding an officer's signal. So we'll give him a trial date for. I need that.
Okay.
We'll give you a trial date of March the 26th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Okay.
All right. Thanks a lot.
All right, Mr. Lloyd. Good luck on the job. Have a safe, happy holiday season. I'll see you back in the new year, March 26th, 2024, 9 a.m.
All right. Thank you.
And I can't because
Should be in the file, but I'll print.
Yeah,
Maybe I didn't print it at all.
no, I just looked through it. I didn't see it.
Yeah, maybe I didn't print it. Okay.